Imagine doubling your sales and cutting your marketing costs in half. Is this even possible? In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 5 different marketing tools that can help your business increase marketing and sales efficiency significantly. So let's get on with the topic. The first tool that I would like to tell you about is Ahrefs. If your current business is using any form or shape or format of a website in order to attract new customers, then Ahrefs is a definitely tool to go for. It can help you identify the keywords that are relevant for your website. It can help you analyze what your competitors are doing in order to bring and drive more traffic to their website. And it can also help you identify which of the keywords are actually performing well for your website and how you can create more of similar content. It also helps you track your website's performance and backlinks. The second tool that I would like to tell you about is ChatGPT from OpenAI. And I know you've probably heard about this one and maybe you even have it implemented within your business, but if you don't, then I highly encourage you to implement this in a part of marketing content generation ideation process. Not only you can generate ideas with ChatGPT, you can also get some great examples and ideas for ads with ChatGPT. So the content for the ads that will be clickable based on the input that you will provide to the chat. And you can also create custom-made GPTs in a paid version that are working like a magic when it comes to creating new content. I'm even using one of these GPTs to generate outlines for YouTube videos. So I'm putting in the information earlier on, past outlines that I have created by myself, and also I'm providing the GPT with the list of instructions, how I would like the chat to look like, what kind of information I'm expecting from it, and so on and so forth. The custom GPT has this advantage over a classic thread in ChatGPT, that you will not delete it by mistake. That's the one. And the second, it works exactly in a way that you will teach it. The third great tool that I would like to tell you about is ConvertKit. If your business is not using any kind of email marketing software right now, ConvertKit is a way to go. It's simple, it's easy to use and easy to implement. It can not only enable you to send broadcasts and newsletters from it, it enables you to create automations based on certain criteria that will send the emails if someone clicks on it, that will send emails on certain days and certain times and so on and so forth. But it also enables you to do a range of things that are helpful to your marketing. For example, you can create pop-ups for your website, you can create landing pages for your website that are natively connected with your email marketing software. It's simple to use, it's easy to implement in comparison to other tools like, for example, ActiveCampaign or like MailerLite or MailChimp. I found it super easy to implement and very intuitive. So if you do not have the email marketing software, I encourage you to give it a try. The fourth tool that I would like to recommend to you is Canva. So if you are now using the services of graphic designers, I'm not saying that you should ditch them completely, but for creating posts for social media, for creating graphics for your ads campaigns, for creating simple things that you need for your customers, for creating presentations, for creating infographics and different types of assets, Canva is the way to go. I mean, I have zero design and graphic skills, and guess what? I can create stuff in Canva. Maybe it's not super advanced, maybe it's not perfect, but if you are using similar formats for your Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn posts, if you are using designs, styles, you can create your brand book in Canva. By the way, I have a video on that. If you would like to learn how to create your own brand book in Canva, you can check it out. And you can do a lot of different stuff in Canva that will help you build your brand, get something for your business. And Canva's cost per month is like, I think, $15 or something like that. So I would say it's a great value for money. Before I will move to the final one, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you found this video interesting. So the final tool that I would like to tell you about is Hotjar. Hotjar is a heat mapping software that you can use for the benefit of your website. Hotjar will help you understand how users on your website are actually behaving, meaning that you will be able to see what kind of things are catching their attention while they are scrolling. You will be able to see where they are hovering their mouse and what types of clicks they are doing on your website. Why do you need that information, you may ask? Because based on that information, you can then optimize and you can make your website more user-friendly and you can increase your conversions. And more conversions means more money, so actually doubling your sales, right? Just like I promised at the beginning. Hotjar can also help you create surveys and polls for your website that can give you more insights from your users. Questions like, where did you came from? What kind of information you are looking for here? These questions can give you a lot of the input from your users, from your end customers, and that you can then use for improving your marketing efforts and creating more user-friendly, user-oriented content. And last but not least thing that I did not mention while talking about heat maps is actually the recording of the session. You can have actual recordings of people's behavior on your website, both on mobile and web, which can also further help you to analyze their behavior and see what kind of things they are looking for. Hotjar was the last of the tools. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you found this video interesting. If you have any questions about marketing tools, if you would like to understand something else about sales, marketing, lead generation, anything related to what we do, let me know in the comment section down below. Have a great rest of your day and thanks for watching.